corporate responsibility is a great reason to put it in Hartford. Were there other reasons? Were there other value impacts outside of the corporate responsibility and the historical legacy of Stanley that made Connecticut or Hartford a good place to say, hey, we want to put an innovation for Industry 4.0. We want to have that here versus, like you said, and literally anywhere in the world.
Right. Well, we believe that Hartford was a world leader in the second industrial revolution.
Absolutely.
So 100 years ago, when Henry Ford was looking at mass production, he came to Connecticut. Mm-hmm. He visited Colt and he visited Stanley to see how it was done.
Yep.
And this was a leader. You see all the, so to say, the bones of that manufacturing as you drive around. But we think we can recreate a advanced manufacturing epicenter back in Hartford for the fourth industrial revolution. And these are high-tech jobs around, industrial IoT, automation, robots,
sure.
cobots, cell automation, all those types of things.